We heard so many stories about this place.
And we just couldn't wait any longer to explore it for ourselves. Bali.
Okay, halo. Selamat datang di Bali.
So yesterday we arrived to Bali and to Ubud exactly. And the trip was really long and difficult. We had to take different things and it was really demanding, I would say. And now we are at the hostel. It's so beautiful here. People leave some small offerings every morning.
We found a really nice place. It's kind of inside a temple area and there's temples all around. Just a quick walk through our homestay. Really green everything and calm, peaceful. The owners are also amazing, very helpful and friendly. Even though we are in the center, we are now getting to the main road. That will be more busy. But if you take like the small side roads, you can see kind of like a Hindu temple every couple meters. I just turn and boom, there's a temple.
Ubud's temples are central to Balinese culture, serving as places of worship, community gatherings, and traditional ceremonies.
The streets are really tiny. There seems not to be enough space for all the traffic that's around.
Yeah,
And
there's a lot of motorbikes everywhere.
Ubud, the cultural and spiritual heart of Bali, is a vibrant center of traditional arts and sacred rituals, where ancient Hindu traditions are kept alive.
We came to Warung and the menu is amazing. And it means literally shop, and it's where you can find traditional food.
That's your nasi.
Thank you.
Mie goreng.
Thank you. I ordered nasi pecel.
Also, locals in Bali are always really happy to share a nice talk with foreigners, and they gave us a great recommendation for our next destination. Hidden in Ubud's jungle, the sacred monkey forest is a place where centuries-old temples, binding tree roots, and lively macaques come together in a unique mix of nature, culture, and tradition.
It's really green, and you almost forget you are in the center of Ubud.
all around there's the bustling streets with all the motorbikes and people being like immersed in the daily activities. And here you can really take a break and chill in nature. It's a really nice place, especially the trees are awesome. They are grown over with moss and have really crazy shapes, and the roots are going kind of anywhere.
There are also Hinduist temples all over the place. They are together with nature and looks really nice.
After visiting ancient temples surrounded by stunning natural scenery, we wanted to see some monkeys up close. And we didn't expect that we could get this close. Once we finished our time seeing monkeys, we made our way back to the heart of Ubud to experience a local celebration called Tumpek Krulut. This Balinese celebration is held every 6 months to honor fruit-bearing trees and wooden instruments, with offerings and prayers made to show gratitude for their role in daily life and religious ceremonies. Right next to the celebrations, we explored the Ubud Palace or Puri Sareng Agung, which is a historic royal residence built in the 16th century. It serves as a cultural hub, hosting dance performances and art exhibitions. The following morning, we ventured out to witness one of Bali's most famous sights, the breathtaking rice terraces.
We are now in the Mupu Rice Fields and it's amazing, so green everywhere.
There's even some waterfalls running through, and the people take a lot of care that everything looks nice.
kasih.
Sama-sama.
Thank you.
Coni, my name is Made.
Made, yeah.
The best thing about traveling to Indonesia is getting in contact with its friendly inhabitants. That's why we made a whole video documentary about it on our channel. Check it out. We also met Madi's husband, Kandi, and asked him some questions.
This is my rice field, my friend. From family, from generation to generation, for the support the living, rice for life, like that. Finish today, going to rice field.
Rice field, wow.
Together, my grandfather, my father.
Wow, the whole family.
Yeah,
Wow.
also because my family is all farmer. We no can bring. Maybe enough, maybe like that.
Oh, wow.
For the because the up,
It's a lot of work.
far and up,
Wow.
so healthy.
Yeah.
And me only a half it's okay. If you come to Bali, please come to my rice field, Mupu Rice Terraces. Okay? Yes, good.
After seeing how passionate he was about his job, I had to follow my own passion and explore his fields from a unique perspective with the drone. After taking in the serene beauty of the rice terraces, we stumbled upon something truly unforgettable. A vibrant, unexpected local event unfolding right before our eyes.
We are in the motorbike going to our next destination, but on the way there was a lot of traffic, and then we were wondering what's going on, and we found out that there's a celebration really local going on.
So sometimes like a traffic jam might be like a little reminder, oh, there's something going on, because they are kind of always celebrating something, and it's awesome to just spontaneously get caught in the chaos. So often you just stop and you get in touch with the locals and get to know about the local celebrations. So this is gonna be a cremation, and we're gonna learn about the traditions.
We got explained by a local here that it's a cremation from a priest. So because it's a holy person, everybody's wearing white.
We were waiting quite some time for them to start the fire, and everybody seemed really chill and relaxed, kind of how we so far perceived how Indonesians are. Suddenly they started burning and everybody was not really paying attention, so it seemed more like that the preparation and saying goodbye was more of an important thing than the burning itself.
We were also told that this kind of cremation it's only for priests or royal people.
And we heard that even for like more important people like the royal families, the statues could be even double the size of this one.
So it felt everything really calm, really respectful. People were sharing, you could see old people, kids, adults, everybody sharing food, drinks.
This atmosphere could be really felt deeply as they believe in reincarnation, and you could feel that it was kind of like a saying goodbye, but not as sad as you would imagine a funeral as we do know them.
These were only our first days here, so subscribe to see our next explorations in Bali. Until then, check out this adventure.